In the quest for food safety and quality, understanding the methods of manufacture for various food products is essential. This video serves as a guide for food safety officer preparation students, outlining the important concepts of vinegar, sauerkraut, soya sauce, beer, wine, and traditional Indian foods manufacturing processes. Vinegar is produced through fermentation, where ethanol is oxidized into acetic acid by acetic acid bacteria. The fermentation stage varies in time and temperature, affecting its flavor. Key points include the choice of source, fermentation time, type of bacteria used, monitoring pH levels, potential bottle contamination, quality control, storage conditions, water quality, labeling regulations, and pasteurization methods. Sauerkraut is made by the process of lactic acid fermentation. It begins with finely shredded cabbage mixed with salt, which draws out moisture. Key manufacturing points include selecting fresh cabbage, the importance of salt concentration, maintaining anaerobic conditions, temperature control, fermentation duration, packaging methods, monitoring pH levels, avoiding contaminants, proper storage techniques, and scaling the production effectively. Soya sauce manufacturing involves fermentation of soybeans and wheat with specific molds, yeasts, and bacteria. Essential points in this process include the choice of soybeans, fermentation duration, quality of water used, temperature management, storage conditions, pasteurization, bottle sterilization, labeling, types of brewing methods, koji and shoyu, and regular quality assessments for flavor consistency. Beer is crafted through the fermentation of malted grains. The critical points cover selecting malt types, mashing processes, boiling with hops, fermentation yeast selection, duration of fermentation, proper storage, conditioning, filtration methods, carbonation techniques, handling pasteurization, and bottling processes. Wine production primarily relies on the fermentation of grapes. Key points include grape selection, crushing and pressing techniques, fermentation temperature, management, aging processes, clarity processes, filtering, storage conditions, monitoring for spoilage, bottling methods, labeling approaches, and ensuring compliance with local regulations in production processes. Traditional Indian foods involve a myriad of processes with diversity in methods such as fermentation, drying, and cooking. Important points include ingredient selection, regional variations, preservation techniques, spice integration, cultural methods of preparation, fermentation processes like idli or dosa, safety measures in street food production, storage practices, packaging methods, and consumer education on food safety. The union of these methods creates a rich tapestry of flavors and safety practices. To enhance comprehension, we provided 10 key questions for each food product to test understanding. Students are also encouraged to check the FAQ section that addresses common questions to strengthen their preparation further. We invite you to subscribe to our Food Technology YouTube channel and drop your comments, helping us to grow this knowledge sharing community.